Welcome. This video I'll show you how to withdraw money from Kraken to bank account.
And by the way, Swissborg's got a cool sign-up bonus. You can go ahead and get up to $100 in rewards. Just gotta use the link below, either in the description or in the comments. Just click on it, scan the QR code, and they'll send you a reward card. Now going back.
Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up the Kraken web or Kraken app. Now in here, just go ahead over to the wallet section or portfolio. Click on it. And once done, as you can see here, we have the withdrawal button. Just basically click on it. And once you click on it, you'll be able to see an option asset and method. So basically just click on asset. Maybe you have Bitcoin, USDT, go ahead and select that. Then go ahead and select the payment method, okay? Just click on the drop down, you'll be able to see a ton of payment methods. Now just hit on continue right here to add your bank details. And by the way, in the right panel, you'll be able to see your total balance and the fee included and the available to withdraw. Now in the next page, just go ahead and add in your bank details and just click on add bank account. And then once done, follow simple prompts, and after that, you're good to go. That is it. That is how you withdraw money from Kraken to bank account. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.